You've tried all of the popular diets that say they work like magic, but nothing has worked for you. There are 6 ways to lose weight successfully. This is called the rebound effect, and it can happen 2 weeks after you've lost weight. It can also happen with a few extra pounds. This is according to the most recent data on the subject. In a typical year, the average person tries to lose weight at least 4 times, but only 1 person out of every 100 succeeds and can say that they lost weight. Case studies that have worked. Do you want to be a part of this group? Check out these 6 tips that can help you reach your goal much faster. It's important to remember that if you follow all of these simple rules, you'll get the best results. Do not miss a single one. Our emotions, not our lack of willpower, keep us from losing weight and keeping our weight at a healthy level, not our lack of willpower itself. Before you start your weight loss journey, make sure you know some basic rules about what to do. If you like videos about keto and health, subscribe to the channel and tick the notification bell. Also get your free customized keto diet plan now in the description down below. Let's go. Secret 1. Keep things the same. If you're used to eating only fast food, it's always hard to switch to a diet that emphasizes eating mostly fruits and vegetables as a source of nutrition. Trying to lose weight puts a lot of strain on your body, and it will do the same. Avoid demanding too much of yourself and making big changes all at once. For example, if you want to lose weight quickly and look like a fashion model in a week, that is not a goal you should have. It's not good for your health to make a big change in how you eat all at once. Make small changes to how you eat over time, not all at once. Take small but healthy steps every day, and you'll see slow but steady growth over time. Within a few months, you'll be free of all of your bad habits. Next, secret 2. Focus on the good things in your life and think about the things you've done in the past. Whether you believe it or not, you must always keep an eye on your progress in order to keep track of it. This track will show you how much weight you've lost in real time. Many times, you'll have to wait a long time before you see any big changes in your body composition. As a result, keep a detailed record of all the changes so that you don't lose your motivation. Weigh yourself every day and keep track of any changes. Keep in mind that making small, steady changes is the best way to lose weight and change your behavior without feeling too much pain.
Number 3. Be active in your body. A good food plan will help you lose weight, but it's also important to eat well and get enough exercise. Even low-risk activities like walking can be good for you. You don't have to spend all your time at the gym. Take small steps and do things that you enjoy. The American Heart Association says that if you want to stay healthy, you should do 15 minutes of exercise every day instead of 2 hours at the gym once a week. The truth is, everyone has 15 to 30 minutes a day to do some simple exercises to stay in shape. Physical activity also makes you feel better, which is a bonus. It lowers the chance of getting a lot of different illnesses and improves the way your brain works. 4. Ask for help from your friends and family, because moral support is important when embarking on a weight loss journey. It is clear to your friends that if you give in to a temptation, you will feel bad afterward. During the time they're around, they might remind you to keep an eye on how many calories you eat. It's their way of letting you know that they're there for you as you try to lose weight. If you feel like you need to punish yourself for eating something sweet every time you eat, your diet should be guilt-free as well. You won't get the results you want right away, though. When you lose weight, don't feel bad about yourself.
This is the 5th thing to do. Find out what your metabolic type is. If you think you're doing everything you can to lose weight but aren't seeing any results, that's fine. It's a common problem that people have before they give up. Make sure you know more about your metabolic rate by reading this. If you have a slow metabolism, this is the right thing for you to do. Keep your composure and don't let your guard down. Keep in mind that long-term benefits don't show up right away. In addition, we have a great way to speed up your metabolism. Green tea with a hint of peppermint. Green tea, which is the main ingredient, helps to speed up fat oxidation. Some other things that help speed up the metabolism are mint and lemon, but they don't help as much. In a jar, put 7 cups of green tea, a bunch of mint leaves, and a few lemon slices together. When you put the jar in the fridge on Sunday night, you can use it on Monday. Drink a cup of tea every day. Continue to drink for a week, and you'll start to see a difference right away. This is how it works. 6. There are a lot of diets out there that promise to help you lose weight quickly, but you could end up hurting your health even more. Those who are just starting out on a weight loss journey should not follow a diet that is low in calories but high in nutrition. To get advice and supervision, talk to a qualified dietitian. Allow the expert to come up with a diet plan that meets your needs and your body's abilities. You are ready to start your weight loss journey now that you have reached this point. Good luck. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Even if they are small, it is important to remember that losing weight is a slow and steady process.
If you like videos about keto and health, subscribe to the channel and tick the notification bell. Also get your free customized keto diet plan now in the description down below.